Hey there, film fanatics, buckle up as we rewind to the 1970s, where comedy was all about heart, charm, and unforgettable stories. Imagine bell-bottoms, disco, and laughter as the perfect remedy. We're diving into the era's comedy gems, showcasing films that still hold a special place in our hearts. Get ready for a nostalgia overload as we relive the magic of 70s comedy. The 1970s were a transformative decade for cinema, balancing laughter and life lessons. Wholesome humor offered audiences joy and escapism. First up, we've got The Sting, a movie so slick it could sell ice to a polar bear. Picture this. Two con artists, smoother than a freshly waxed mustache, team up to pull off the ultimate scam. Robert Redford and Paul Newman talk about a dynamic duo. They ooze charisma, and their on-screen chemistry is electric. The film is a masterclass in clever writing, intricate plots, and that signature 70s cool. You'll be rooting for these lovable rogues every step of the way, even if you know they're playing everyone for fools. It's no wonder The Sting snagged 7 Oscars, including Best Picture. Next up, we're hitting the road with Paper Moon, a Depression-era dramedy that's equal parts hilarious and heartwarming. We meet Moses Prey, a con man with a heart of, well, maybe not gold, but something shiny. He takes a young, orphaned girl named Addie under his wing, and their chemistry is pure gold. Tatum O'Neal won an Oscar for this role at just 10 years old. Paper Moon explores the bond between two lost souls. It's a reminder that family isn't always about blood. It's about the connections we forge along the way. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Blazing Saddles is about to take you on a wild ride through the Wild West. This Mel Brooks masterpiece is a satirical explosion of humor, tackling sensitive topics like racism and prejudice. Imagine this: a black sheriff in an all-white town in the 1800s. Yeah, Brooks went there. Blazing Saddles uses humor to expose and dismantle stereotypes, leaving you in stitches while making you think. It's a hilarious reminder that laughter can be a powerful tool for social commentary. All right, comedy comrades, prepare yourselves for the absurd brilliance of Monty Python and the Holy Grail. This British gem is a ridiculous side-splitting romp through Arthurian legend. Forget shining armor. This film is all about coconuts, killer rabbits, and a shrubbery that's just a tad too close for comfort. From the very first scene, you know you're in for a wild ride. Monty Python's humor is absurd, surreal, and absolutely hilarious. Get ready to sing along, because it's time to hit the road with The Muppet Movie. This heartwarming classic follows Kermit the Frog on his cross-country adventure to Hollywood, filled with music, laughter, and heart. The Muppets' unique humor and catchy tunes captured hearts worldwide. Kermit's journey to follow his dreams is something we can all relate to. The Muppet Movie is a timeless testament to friendship, dreams, and sing-alongs. It's a film guaranteed to put a smile on your face, no matter your age. Fasten your seatbelts and crank up the radio. We're taking a nostalgic trip back to 1962 with American Graffiti. This coming-of-age classic captures teenage life cruising, sock hops, and young love. It's a love letter to a bygone era, filled with classic cars, iconic music, and the joys of growing up. Follow high school graduates on the cusp of adulthood, grappling with dreams and decisions. With relatable characters and an infectious soundtrack, American Graffiti is a timeless reminder of friendship and first love. It's a cinematic time capsule capturing the essence of a generation. Hold onto your hats and buckle up for a wild ride with Smokey and the Bandit. Burt Reynolds, in all his mustachioed glory, teams up with Sally Field for a cross-country adventure. Bandit, a charming outlaw, hauls bootleg beer across state lines, pursued by Sheriff Buford T. Justice. A hilarious game of cat and mouse ensues, with car chases, CB radio banter, and southern charm. Smokey and the Bandit is an adrenaline rush, with charismatic stars and over-the-top stunts. It's the perfect escape, a reminder to live life in the fast lane. Get ready to scream with laughter, that is. Young Frankenstein, Mel Brooks' hilarious homage to classic monster movies, is a side-splitting masterpiece. Gene Wilder shines as Dr. Frederick Frankenstein, the grandson of Victor Frankenstein. Determined to create his own monster, Frederick's experiment leads to hilarious misadventures. With witty dialogue and unforgettable characters, it's a film that'll tickle your funny bone. Grease is the word, and we're ready to rock and roll with this high-energy musical that defined a generation. John Travolta and Olivia Newton. John light up the screen as Danny and Sandy navigating love, friendship, and fitting in. Set in 1959, Grease is a nostalgic blast with catchy tunes, energetic dance numbers, and teenage angst. From Grease Lightning to the electrifying finale, the film is a non-stop party that'll have you singing and dancing along. Get ready for a charming romantic comedy that'll tug at your heartstrings and tickle your funny bone. The Goodbye Girl pairs Richard Dreyfuss with Marsha Mason in a story about finding love in unexpected places. Dreyfuss plays Elliot Garfield, a struggling actor sharing an apartment with Paula McFadden, Mason, and her daughter Lucy. Paula is less than thrilled, but as Elliot and Paula navigate their situation, they discover that opposites attract, and sometimes love sneaks up on you when you least expect it. The Goodbye Girl is a heartwarming reminder that laughter, love, and understanding can go a long way. And there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour through the hilarious and heartwarming world of 1970s comedy. From con artists to singing frogs and high school sweethearts, these films captured the spirit of an era. The 1970s were a golden age for comedy, pushing boundaries and tackling social issues. These films are time capsules, transporting us back to a simpler, groovier time. So, dust off those bell-bottoms, grab some popcorn, and enjoy classic 70s comedy. Let me know in the comments which film is your favorite. Until next time, keep on laughing.